Hi guys! Today we will do a super quick and super tasty part steamed, part poached, Thai style sea bass in lamb sauce. A dish we call Pla Krapong Neung Manao is really easy and done in about 15 minutes. Shh, let's go poaching. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Pla Krapong is a type of sea bass, also called barramundi if you're an Australian, or sea bass if you're a Brit. The fish we eat in Thailand is farmed, so you cannot get the exactly same things where else. Anyway, who cares? What's it called? You just need a white, flaky, fresh fish with a mild flavor. Get what you can locally. We sort of steam and poach at the same time while it swims in a soupy lamb broth. It's a great tangy taste that is probably nothing like you will be used to, and that you definitely need to try it in your life. Let's go do it! If you try the recipe, please do leave a comment on your experience.
Chinese seaweed, coriander, galangal, lemongrass, palm sugar, lime, fish sauce, red chili and green chili, garlic, chicken stock and fish stock. Sea bass. It's for the sea and it swims and it calls a fish.
This is fish stock that I just made earlier. You can just use the fish head, fish bone, put some water in there and get the aromatic by put lemongrass in there and add some salt. I also cook it for 20 minutes. And here, that's what I got from the fish stock. You can also use chicken stock or even plain water. The best broth you use, the best taste you got. To do the lamb broth, first of all I need to heat fish stock. Chop garlic up. Chili, I use two color together because I want some colorful in my soup. And if you don't like too much chili, you can just put less chili in. Be careful with the chili. Don't touch it by your hand. Fish sauce. Palm sugar. For this one, we don't want the soup too sweet, so put less sugar. Lime juice. To get more juice from lime, you need to roll the lime. For this particular soup, we need to get a sour taste. Coriander. I put coriander last because I don't want coriander leaf to get wilt when you get into the hot soup. Let me test. Guess what? This sauce. Okay. So next step gonna be the steam process. Before I steam the fish, I have to score the fish into both sides to get the steam, cook the fish easily. Push a knife through the meat until you get the bone. And then flip it over. Do it in the same way. And then I need lemongrass. I have to smash lemongrass to get the aromatic oil from the lemongrass and put it inside the fish to get rid of the fish smell. Put it inside the fish like that. So I already take the stomach out from the fish, and the inside here, the belly, is all empty. To making Thai style herb sauce, coriander root. I chop it into small pieces. It's easy for me to pound it up. Coriander root. Then garlic. I add some salt in there to help all the herbs pound easily. Chili, galangal, palm sugar, lime, the sauce, before we steam the fish, I would like to sprinkle the salt all over the fish in both sides. I put the lemongrass underneath the fish to make it smell better. Let's steam for 15 minutes, then we come back here again.
Yay!
I will show you how to steam the fillet sea bass in this steamer, and this one is the cheap one, easy to use. Steam small pieces, not the big fish like that. Tray catch the steam dropping down from the bottom. The steam come up through the holes and go back down through this one again into this tray. Pour some water in the pot. Season the fish with salt in both sides. and then put it on lemongrass. Set timer for 20 minutes. Before the time's up, I will add herb sauce on top of the fish and then steam it for a couple minutes. Then the fish will be done. 15 minutes is done, so now I need to check the fish. If you leave the meat out without sticky and the meat come out with the fork, which means the fish is already cooked. So now turn the heat off. To serve the fish like they serve in the restaurant, I use the fish plate. And you can also heat the fish underneath as well. I garnish the fish plate with lettuce and Chinese celery. Add lamb broth. There we go. Pla Krapong Neung Manao sea bass with lamb sauce is already done and looks so yummy to me. We got a few minutes to go and I will put herb sauce on top of the fish and carry on cook it for another couple minutes. 20 minutes is passed, so wow, look at that. So awesome. Let me put on the plate. It's time for me to enjoy my dish, steamed sea bass with lamb sauce.